Before buying even a small household item, we research how to buy it, from where to buy it, and what the other options are. So, when it comes to investing in health insurance, our research must be multidimensional. Most insurance experts will advise you to look for a few vital things before buying any health plan. The coverage is available, sum insured options, exclusions, that is, what's not covered, and most importantly, the company's reputation. Before we discuss what data to look for when measuring any health insurance company's reputation, hi, I'm Anchita, your daily insurance guru, and welcome to PolicyX.com. Now, what to look for in a good health insurance company? Firstly, it is significant to look for data like the claim settlement ratio, which is the percentage of the number of claims settled by the company in a year to the total number of claims received, and incurred claims ratio, which is the total claim amount paid by the company in ratio to the total premium amount collected in a financial year. Both CSR and ICR indicate the claim settlement capacity of the company and build trust among customers. Secondly, you must look for the plan options offered by the company, which must include individual and family plans, senior citizen health plans, women-specific plans, and other specialized plans like critical illness, accident care, student travel, etc. After carefully considering all these factors, we have made a list of the top health insurance companies in India in 2024. The first on the list is Star Health Insurance, one of the leading names in the Indian insurance market. They offer health plans that cater to a diverse range of customers, from comprehensive health plans for individuals and families to exclusive plans for women and senior citizens. They have it all under one roof. Let's take a quick look at some of the best-selling plans from Star. Star Comprehensive is an ideal health insurance plan for families and individuals with a minimum coverage of rupees 5 lakhs and a maximum of up to 1 crore. Star Assure, with this plan, you can cover yourself, your spouse, dependent children, parents, and parents-in-law. It provides maternity coverage, access to rehab and pain management, and coverage for home care treatment. Star Women Care provides coverage for women-centric medical care, including cancer, maternity, and newborn care, and even coverage for bariatric surgery. With an amazing claim settlement of over 91%, Niva Bupa is one of the most recognized and innovative health insurance companies today. They have over 10,000 cashless network hospitals all over India and an impressive customer base of over 1.4 crores. They offer some of the most unique plans, which include Niva Bupa Aspire with a sum insured range of 5 lakhs to 1 crore. The Aspire plan covers individuals as well as up to 6 family members. It gives coverage for IVF, surrogacy, and legal adoption, which are rare features in a health insurance policy even today. The Niva Bupa Reassure 2.0 comes in multiple variants and offers a sum insured from 5 lakhs to 1 crore. With Lock the Clock, Booster Plus, and many other add-on features, this is the only plan that you will ever need. Care Insurance has over 24,000 cashless network hospitals all over the country. They offer coverage for modern and robotic surgeries, exclusive renewal discounts, and automatic recharge benefits, which makes them stand apart from competitors. Care Supreme is one of their top-selling plans and offers a sum insured as high as 1 crore. It covers all the basic medical needs along with the highest cumulative bonus of up to 500% to boost your sum insured. Care Heart is a specialized plan made for heart patients. It offers benefits related to heart care and surgical procedures, including annual cardiac health checkups. You can also renew it on a lifelong basis. Manipal Cigna has over 8,500 network hospitals present in 600 plus cities in India. It offers some of the most comprehensive and practical health insurance plans that suit everyone's budget. Some of the best-selling plans from Manipal Cigna are Pro Health Insurance that comes in Protect, Plus, preferred, premier, and accumulate variants with sum insured ranging from 2.5 lakhs to 1 crore. Their ProHealth Prime Health Insurance, which comes in Protect, Advantage, and Active, offering sum insured options from 3 lakhs to 1 crore, is another top seller. If you want to know about other health insurance companies, please visit policyx.com, or you can also leave a comment down below. Follow policyx.com on YouTube and turn on the notifications to receive instant updates. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. Until next time, stay healthy and stay insured with PolicyX.